Okay, day 2, I put up 25 feet of this hardware cloth. I added a 4th pole where it ended. So tomorrow I got another 10 feet to go. And then I gotta do the bottom here with hardware cloth. Also today I nailed in the bottom to reinforce it. I didn't do all the way around, I still have one side to do. And so what I'm going to do once this is in place is reinforce the hardware cloth with rebar or some these things I have all around the property. Every 3 feet or so, I'll reinforce this.